Seeing a gain on the bourse today. The bourse opened at 3,082 points on Monday. How do you expect it to close on Friday?
Well, thank you very much, Fenly. We are seeing a lot of optimism in most of the sectors, tourism as well as agriculture, but that seems to be taking a while to be able to reflect in the equities market. And so on that front, I see us still operating within the range of the 3,000 to 3,100, and hopefully we are going to start nearing that mark.
But what about banking stocks? KCB and Equity announced single-digit positive and negative returns. Should investors be looking at the stock as a long-term investment?
Well, thank you very much. Banks have been doing excellently well over the historic past, but recently, especially this year, we are seeing them not doing excellently well because they've been operating on a very aggressive expansion plan, which doesn't seem to be paying off in a recessionary environment like the one we're operating in right now. So some of those counters at the moment seem like more of long term, because basically the aggressive expansion plan might be able to start paying off maybe towards the end of next year.
And what about industrial stocks like Carbacid, KPLC, Kenyan? Is that a safe long-term buy?
Well, industrial stocks at the moment are seemingly to be performing very, very well. We are seeing some of them trading status looks very, very positive. We are seeing counters like Carbacid performing very, very well in terms of performance, and also in terms of stability and in terms of how they have been doing. And looking at the Kenya's plans, especially economic direction in terms of the industrialization, we're seeing some of these counters being very promising. And so some of these counters are some of the ones which we are opting to recommend, especially at this time, because they've been fairly stable over the long run.